Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of this month, January 2021's Glossy Box. Happy New Year. I can't believe that it is already 2021, even though 2020 felt like it lasted forever. So we're going to be jumping into the Glossy Box for this month, which I'm going to be completely honest is like 100% skincare. So we're going to be doing a whole bunch of info on some really cool skincare products, and all of the details will be in the video. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Power of Beauty Glossy Box with me today, stay tuned. Okay, so in the, the theme card every month, it's time to start fresh and welcome new beginnings, and we want to kick off this year on a positive note. So we're showing you the Power of Beauty. This month's box is filled with products to enhance your beauty inside and out. You'll be ready and refreshed to take on all that 2021 has to offer. Stay glossy, the Glossy Box team. Now, Glossy Box is $21 a month. If you sign up for like the bulk at a year, you'll get a better discount. I think it's $18 a month if you do it that way. But I will include a link down below where it is $16 for your first month. So we're going to go into today with the expectation that this will cost $16. So we'll see the value of the box and see based on that if this is worth it. So the first item out of the box comes from Seed Phytonutrients. This is the lightweight facial lotion supporting independent American farmers who grow our camelina and sunflower seeds. That's awesome. 99% natural and 100% vegan, this moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals, and it doubles as a makeup primer. Tip, use a dime-sized amount daily or before makeup. Retails for $34. Now, as far as like a moisturizer you can use as a primer, most primers are just really supercharged moisturizers, so that is true to all moisturizers. Unfortunately, I cannot use this because the second ingredient is coconut, which you guys know I am highly sensitive to. It will cause me to break out pretty quickly. So I will not be putting this on my face. I will instead be dropping it in an upcoming giveaway. But based on all of the ingredients in it, there's coconut sugars, camellia oil, coconut oil, seaweed oil, glucose syrup. There's not a lot of stuff in here that I would say is not on the natural side, which is great. It is natural like it claims, but there are also not a lot of ingredients that I would intentionally put on my skin. I don't want to put additional glucose on my skin. I don't really think I want vegetable oil on my skin. So even though they are hydrating ingredients, they're also comedogenic ingredients, so they can break you out. Just something to think about when you jump into a product like this. Natural doesn't always mean better, so just take that with a grain of salt. Next, from After Spa, this is the reusable rounds. It is a 2-pack, perfect for all skin types. A reusable makeup wiper made for the softest fabric that can replace disposable cotton rounds. They only require water to remove even the toughest of makeup. Retails for $10. Now, I do have to wash these before I will put them on my face, but I do already actually own these products. The one issue I have with them, and you'll see it, is they do kind of shed these little flakies if you don't wash them first. So you do want to make sure before you use these that you do give them a good wash, otherwise they can leave a lint residue behind. But other than that, you guys know I mentioned it in videos months ago. I've already transitioned pretty much exclusively to reusable for makeup wipes and for cotton rounds. I do, like if I do get a wipe in PR that is not a reusable wipe, I will still use them, but I will not be purchasing any, and currently the only ones I have are the ones from Clean Skin Club and Ipsy Refreshments because they just happen to be the ones I have on hand. But these ones, for example, from Clean Skin, this is a biodegradable cotton. This is not as bad, not cotton, I'm sorry, bamboo. It is biodegradable, it is good for the environment, it is not doing the same damage that a cotton round is, so I don't have an issue with that. So just keep an eye on what you're using, but I can already tell you this is a product that I do enjoy a lot, based on the fact that I do already own them. Next, another product that I have used before, this is from Bioderma. This is the Sebium H2O Micellar Water. Best-selling Dermalogica Micellar Water cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. Retails for $14.90. I will say I have used an entire bottle of this product before, and I love this micellar water. I'm currently using the Tarte Micellar Magic, which came in a It came in my Glossy Box Advent Calendar, and I do like it, but I don't love it. I definitely know that I prefer the Bioderma because this is a product I have already used in the past, so this will be going right into my rotation as soon as humanly possible. Next up, another product I've already used before. This is from Korres. This is a deluxe mini size, so it's not the full size, of the Greek Yogurt Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. The probiotic mask with real Greek yogurt rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances the skin's natural protective layer in just one use. Apply a thick layer onto the skin, remove after 10 to 15 minutes. The trial size is a $10 retail value. This is an amazing product specifically for people who have drier skin. My skin is more on the combo leaning oily side, so I like this product. I had an entire full jar of it. I did use it up, but I never repurchased it. So I will be using this. It's a product that I already know and love, know and like, know and respect. I'm really trying to find a nice way to say it. I like it enough to where I will use it again, but not enough to where I would purchase a full size. But if it arrives at my door, I will use it, if that makes any sense. I hope you guys get it. You listen to me talk 3 to 4 times a week. You know what I'm saying. And the next product is the High Beauty Deluxe Mini. This is the high maintenance cannabis peeling mask. Purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with this peeling mask formulated with CBD, organic plant oils, and antioxidants. Apply to clean, damp skin, massage in circular motions, and then rinse with a cloth. Now, this says it's a peeling mask, but it's actually a chemical exfoliant. I will show you on my hand just to demo. But this is, when they say a peeling mask or a peeling gel, this is the type similar to the Boscia one I used to talk about, where it will start to bead up. And you will notice, this is going to be a little gross, but those little specks on my finger, those are dead skin. So what this does is it basically dissolves the dead skin off of your hands. This is actually a product that I typically reserve for my hands. I don't love using a product like this all over the face. I find it to be a little too astringent, but that's just my personal preference. I like when I'm using an exfoliator to really refine the pores, something a little more acid-based, whereas this is literally just dissolving the dead skin. That being said, products like this, there was one from BTC that came in a Skin Star box a couple months ago as well. I love it for my hands and my feet. They just keep everything super soft, but it's not a product I like to use on my face. If that is you, go for it, but use it at your own risk. I think it's a little too much for the face. If I want an exfoliator for the face, I will use, do I have one anywhere over here? I do. I typically like using the Dr. Dennis Gross 2-step peel pads just because it is a little bit more gentle for the skin. I mean, it's not gentle. It is a pretty strong acid, but I use the heavy-duty ones. It comes in a light as well as like a normal skin. So if you can't handle as much exfoliation, you can definitely use something like that. They actually just came out with the ones for the body. This is not sponsored. They did send it to me, but I have been using this product for years. They're not paying me to talk about it. The body ones are just as good as the face ones. They are a single use instead of a double step. So instead of using the 2-step, you take a 1-step, massage it over the skin just as well. This is great for people who need to like decongest the shoulders. People who go to the gym a lot, clearly that's not me, but if you go to the gym a lot and you find that your skin needs a little extra exfoliation, this is great for you, but this stuff is still for the hands and feet. Amazing. And the last item in the box is from Zolt. It is a hemp drink mix to balance your equilibrium. CBD drink mix, balanced coconut, raise your baseline performance, mental and physical, with the perfect dose of pure hemp-derived CBD. Vegan drink additive is made up with organic sweeteners and natural flavors. This retails for $3.20. The full size is $32, which is a pack of 10. Add to water and stir. I'm not really into these kind of products. These like dissolve in drink CBD. It's a little too hippy-dippy for me. I know that there are a lot of people who like it. I'm not one of those people, so I will not be using this. But if you like that, more power to you. Now, obviously, there is definitely a higher value than $16 here, as this is basically $16 on its own, and the wipes are $10. So no matter what, I will say I got the $16 value out of the box, actually more. I got like a $25 value out of the box. And that being said, there's 2 additional products that I will definitely enjoy using. So for me, definitely a box that is worth its value this month. I like it because it's an opportunity for me to try things that I might not have normally tried. I do stand behind what I said though. Beware if you're going to use this product. There are some highly comedogenic ingredients in it, which could cause pore congestion and breakout if your skin is sensitive like mine is. So let me know down below if you guys have any questions. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!